Why Epson PowerLite 810E destroys flat panels. Mind-blowing 160-inch laser display hack. Let's be real for a sec. Are you stuck battling ugly, tiny displays in your office or classroom? Straining eyes over small screens while your presentations fall flat? You're not imagining it, those outdated flat panels and dim projectors are silently wrecking your productivity and draining your energy. Every presentation feels like a chore, every brainstorming session like a battle. And don't even get started on tech that overheats or demands constant maintenance. You're stuck in tech limbo, wasting time while competitors steal your spotlight. It's frustrating, overwhelming, and honestly, a total vibe killer. But the struggle gets worse. Missed ideas, distracted students, wasted meetings, your audience tunes out before you even hit slide 2. Stress piles up. Deadlines loom, but your visuals scream 2010. Burnout creeps in as your modern equipment shows its age. Every session feels like deja vu, fighting glare, dull colors, and screens too small to engage anyone. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Offices and schools everywhere are chained to outdated tech. But here's the twist. While you're struggling, others are already upgrading, and you're falling behind every day you wait. Enter your new hero. The Epson PowerLite 810E Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD Laser Projector. This isn't just a projector, it's a complete display transformation. Imagine a 160-inch Ultra HD canvas from just inches away, powered by 5,000 lumens of laser brilliance. The 4K Enhancement Technology, combined with 3-chip 3 LCD color accuracy, delivers images so smooth and detailed it's borderline surreal. No more glare. No more visual fatigue. Just jaw-dropping clarity in bold colors that captivate every viewer. From classrooms to corporate war rooms, this display machine upgrades your space instantly, and maintenance headaches? Gone, thanks to a 30,000-hour laser light source. Let's break it down. You're getting ultra-wide 21:9 support, built-in split-screen multitasking, wireless casting via the free Epson iProjection app, and seamless multi-device integration. Epson's advanced cooling system means zero downtime. Multiple connectivity options, from HDMI and Miracast to HD Base T, ensure you're future-proofed for years to come. Whether you're teaching, pitching, or collaborating, the PowerLite 810E delivers sharp focus and a smooth workflow with zero distractions. Why settle for flat panels when you can wow your audience with cinematic-sized, obstruction-free images? Learn more and elevate your display game before someone else beats you to it. Here's the deal. Thousands of pros are already switching to the Epson PowerLite 810E. Why? Because it works. It's not hype, it's tech that delivers. But supplies are limited and demand is rising fast as schools and businesses race to upgrade. Don't miss this chance to transform your work or learning space. Click now. Act today. Own the future of presentations. Stop blending in with outdated tech, stand out with Epson's PowerLite 810E. Join the revolution. Seize your 160-inch advantage. Your audience will notice, and so will your results.